Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about what is generator function. A generator function in JavaScript is a special type of function that can pause its execution and later resume from the same point. It is defined using the function syntax and can yield multiple values over time, allowing we to control the flow of execution. Here's an example of illustrate function. The strict count up to max the parameter. Let count equal to 1 while count smaller than equal to max. Yield count plus plus. Cons counter count up to 3. We are passing 3 as a parameter. Console.log counter.next.value. Counter.next.value. Output equal to 1. Counter.next.value output 2, counter.next.value output 3. Okay, next done. Put true. Explanation. Definition: a generator function strict count up to max. The function syntax is used to define generator function. The yield keyword is used to pause the function execution and return a value. Using a generator, when counter equal to counter 3, when we call the generator function, it returns an iterator object, iterating through value counter dot next dot value 1, next value 2, 3, and true. Calling next on the iterator object resume the function execution until the next yield. The next method returns an object with value and done properties. Value is the yielded value. Done is true if the function has completed, otherwise false. Generator functions are useful for handling sequence of value, implementing iterators, managing asynchronous programming with async, await, and much more. This is all about the generator function. In upcoming video, we will learn about the how do we create and use a map and set. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.